guys, my name is Rose, aka IndyK the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a screwdriver.
Like a tool, right? You mean this one?
No, silly.
This one.
To start off, you're going to get your Collins glass, add ice, 1 ounce of vodka, and 3 ounces of orange juice. Get your bar spoon and mix. The reason why this is intertwined like this is so you can just lift up and it just mixes. Garnish with your orange wheel. No, it's falling apart. You know what? Never mind. Garnish with your orange wedge. And there you guys have it, your screwdriver. Let's do a taste test. Just tastes like orange juice.